Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kathryn Atkins. So glad you've stopped by today. In today's video, I am sharing with you a few of the new tech things that I've picked up. I've been in the market for a new computer and a few other things for a minute, and it's taken me a while to pick out what I wanted, and I do believe that I'm quite happy with them. I've only had them for about 2-3 weeks. So I've been playing, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm really happy with what I've got. So hopefully it's gonna last and serve me well. But anyways, so the first thing that I'm going to share with you today is the new laptop that I picked out. So previously, if you've seen some of my older videos, you'd heard me talk about it. I had the Sony Vaio computer, and I got that back in 2011. And compared to this other one, no, it's not as good. But you say 2011, like that's 7 years ago. Like I was going into my freshman year of college when I got that computer, and now I've been graduated for a minute. So anyways, that computer served me really well, and I'm hopeful for this new one, which is the Lenovo Yoga. I want to share with you the box. I know that really doesn't matter to a lot of you, but to some of you it may. So this is what it looks like, and I had this shipped in from Best Buy, and I don't know, the first thing I opened it up, I started freaking out because the box and the packaging was all really nice. Then you open it up, and the computer was on top. And then you open this little flap up, and inside are all these little bitty boxes, and they held the cord. Well, the cords I think were separated. They also had the papers, instructions, warranty, all that kind of jazz in it. So just really nicely packaged, and just an awesome thunder and an awesome box. Anyways, but you know, the thing that is 10 million times better than the beautiful box is the computer, which looks like this. So this is the Lenovo Yoga, and it is a 2-in-1 computer. So if you can see that. Yeah, and it's just wonderful. This is what she looks like. She is indeed a beaut. She's got a finger ID scanner that allows you to like unlock the computer. I don't know if you can use it for any of the software programs on the computer. It does not have the number pad like my other computer had, but in all honesty, like I never really used that, so that's really okay. Again, it is a 2-in-1 computer, so you can do this, which I've never. Again, my last one was from 2011, so high tech for me, and I mean it's just awesome. That's wonderful. So some specs on the computer. This is the Lenovo Yoga 720, and it's got an Intel Core i7, 16 gigs of RAM. It's also got 512 gigabytes SSD storage, and yeah, that's going to be the extent of stuff that I know. So when I was looking for this computer, I thought my last one was an i5, which if you're like a super like techie person, then this video may be completely irrelevant for you. But anyways, if you're not, hang on. So my last computer I thought was an i5, and it ended up being an i3. And so for me, that's like speed, I think, something like that. Anyways, you want a higher Intel computer. Yeah. So anyways, this one was an i7, so I knew that would be faster. The gigahertz on this thing were like, let's see, so it can be correct. Okay, so I was going to try to say this stuff myself, and I'm just going to read it off of Best Buy's website, so that way you guys can know. You can go look it up for yourself if you need more information or ask me anything you want to know that I might can answer down below. So this is what Best Buy says about this computer. So it's a Windows 10 operating system. It's built for Windows 8. It's a 15.6-inch touchscreen for hands-on control. It's a 3840 by 2160 native resolution. Natural finger touch navigation makes the most of Windows 10 IPS technology. LED backlight. 7th generation Intel Core i7 mobile processor. 16 gigabyte system memory for intense multitasking and gaming. 512 gigabyte solid state drive, SSD, 360 flip and fold design, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 graphics, Windows Mixed Reality Ultra Ready. The weight is 4.41 pounds and measures 0.8 inches thick. Bluetooth interface syncs with compatible devices, one USB Type-C port. Yeah, built-in HD webcam with 2 microphones, built-in fingerprint reader, basic software package included. There's an additional port for headphone or microphone combo jack. Note, this laptop does not include a built-in DVD or CD drive. So anyways, the computer, it has a lot of power, and so I guess in comparing it to what I previously had, like it doesn't compare. I've already edited one video on this computer, and the time that it took to edit that video and then upload it to YouTube was just insane. Like, I was sitting with Bobby and I was being a little silly, but I was also being a little serious as well, and I almost got a little choked up and teary-eyed because how fast it got things done. Like, I kid you not, if I've tried to upload a video in the past, it would take a couple of minutes to upload it onto the software that I was going to edit it on, then you'd have to save it on that software, and then you'd have to upload it to YouTube, and it would take like a day and a half to do all that stuff. So like, it's already awesome. I've tried to edit a video, I've tried to download, what was I downloading? I can't even remember. I was downloading something on the computer, and I was checking my email, and I was doing all this stuff, and it didn't even slow it down the slightest bit. And so that just makes me so happy because I've never had a computer that fast. I bought this guy right around Memorial Day, so there was like a little sale. I think it was either $200 or $300 cheaper from Best Buy. I just looked it up. I think it's like $1,200 to $1,300 right now, but when I got it, it was like $9 something, and then plus tax. And I also bought a stylus for it. It is the bamboo ink stylus, so I could use the Microsoft ink. And so I'm telling you all this stuff. All of this is incredibly new to me because previously I was on like Windows 7, and so like learning this new software and being able to do all this cool new stuff is just really incredible. So almost lost the stylus. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and he just syncs up through Bluetooth up to the laptop, so that's really cool. I'm able to draw and like write on it, and it's crazy how good and nifty this thing is because it actually looks like my handwriting when I'm writing on the computer. So that's just really, really incredible. Now, as for software, well, let me back up. The bamboo stylus that I also ordered from Best Buy was, I don't have a price down here. I think it was like $50 or $60. I'll link the prices and stuff down below, and I'll also write the specs out in case I said something wrong. I'll for sure have them correct down below. So anyways, there's the stylus. The software that I picked up, and this is pretty like recent, like the past week, also got from Best Buy. This is which you can, I'm so late, guys. I'm so late to the party. I got it from Best Buy, but you could also just buy it off your computer. But anyways, this is the Adobe Photoshop Elements 2018 and Premiere Elements 2018. So Premiere Elements, that is your video editing software. I'm not using it at its fullest capability, but it has been pretty easy to pick up and use. Previously, I was using Windows Movie Maker, and like, you gotta understand that this is why I got teary-eyed, because this is so fast and it's so good, and there's so many things you can do with it. As for Adobe Photoshop, that was a little bit harder for me. I was trying to edit a previous video thumbnail and didn't really figure it out. I have PicMonkey, and so I ended up just using that to edit that video. or edit that thumbnail, excuse me. So still learning how to work with the Photoshop, but the Premiere Elements, it's really easy to pick up on, and I'll probably end up watching some more YouTube videos or watching some YouTube videos to figure out how to use and utilize this software better. But anyways, got both of those, and they were also on sale. I think you got both of these for like $99. So anyways, really happy with that. This is again what it looks like, and you get, if you get 2 discs, one's the Photoshop and one's the Premiere Elements, but since I had a DVD CD drive on my last computer, new computers, they don't have that anymore, so that's okay. They were a little irrelevant. Along with figuring stuff out, not having CD DVD drives anymore, there's also no SD port on the computer. I did not realize that. I ended up figuring it out later, and so I went and bought the Insignia USB 3.0 compact memory card reader, and this is what it looks like. And it's got the, there you are. Alright, so it's got the SD card, and it's also got the micro SD, which I've never used, but anyways, that's what it looks like. And I think it was like 30 bucks or so. So here we are. Okay, but anyways, and you just pull the little cap off, and so I have just been loving everything. Again, I was still back in 2011 having to learn new software, but I mean, this is all really awesome, and it's crazy how quick and efficient and effective all of it is. So I've just been loving that. And I also picked up a ring light that I'm not using right now. Let me see if I can show you guys. Alright, so this is my ring light right here. It did not come with this stand, but I will link that down below. I believe it also came from Newer. But all of this came from Amazon, and I'm a Prime member, so it got in really quickly, which was nice. Now, the ring light did come with a stand and a piece to hold your camera or cell phone, but their stand, it's a floor stand, like it's really tall, so that just wasn't going to work for this kind of a setup. So anyways, there he is. And then the floor stand, I really didn't understand this, but he is like inverted, so you have to like fold him out. And he's actually just chilling down there, which, oh, that's really dark. I don't know if you can see anything or not. But anyways, so there he is. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I apologize if this was not as super and, I don't know, as techy as you'd like, but this is me, this is the real deal, and I don't know just a ton about them, about the computers and stuff, but I am very happy with this, and hopefully this will help me step up my video game and just help me, I don't know, get daily tasks done quicker whenever life calls for a computer. So anyways, I hope that this was helpful, and yeah, if you have any questions or anything, please just leave them down below and I will do my best to answer those. Yeah, feel free to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.